Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza at home without yeast. First, gather your dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together in a large bowl. This combination will give your dough the perfect lift and texture, ensuring a satisfyingly crispy crust without any waiting time. Now, let's add the wet ingredients. Pour in 3/4 of a cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything with a spoon until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic, not sticky. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll out your dough on a floured surface to your desired thickness and shape. Transfer it to a baking sheet or pizza stone. Spread your favorite pizza sauce evenly, leaving about 1/2 inch for the crust. Add your preferred cheese and toppings. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Once your pizza is perfectly baked, carefully remove it from the oven. Let it cool for about 3 to 5 minutes before slicing. This brief cooling period helps the cheese set and prevents burns. Serve your delicious homemade, yeast-free pizza immediately to enjoy its fresh flavors and crispy crust. Feel free to get creative with your toppings next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.